All right, so now we have come to the methods section in chapter 3. And here we're going to detail the study population characteristic and size. We're going to describe the sampling and sampling procedures, whether it's convenience sampling, random sampling, or purposive sampling where we doing some kind of quota or something like that, quota sampling. We're going to detail the procedures for recruitment and data collection. We're going to explain any time or research constraints, and we're going to provide a detailed description of all survey instruments, and we're going to operationalize the definition of each of the variables in our study. And then finally, we're going to provide a step-by-step detailed process of how we will analyze the data. So there's a lot that we're going to cover inside this section for chapter 3. All right.